So Texas did not have spousal maintenance or alimony for a really long time, and it's only been within the last 10 to 15 years that spousal maintenance has actually come into being in the state of Texas. The problem is that it is the presumption in the state of Texas that you should not get spousal maintenance except under certain circumstances. One is if you do not receive enough from the division of the marital estate to meet your minimum reasonable needs. Now, that sounds very subjective, and it is. It's up to a court to make that determination of, are your minimum reasonable needs getting met? Another area, though, where you can get an award of spousal maintenance is when there has been a finding of family violence. If there has been a finding of family violence, a court can award spousal maintenance in a punitive situation, meaning in order to punish the other party for that spousal maintenance. So, one of the first things that you need to talk to your lawyer about if you have concerns about receiving spousal maintenance is, are you entitled to it? Do you have a vehicle by which you can get there? So talk to that board certified family lawyer and ask them, can I get spousal maintenance?